from swing high to swing low, and we're looking for price to come in here and continue downwards. What's important is that if I'm taking this trade, I have clear as day invalidation. I know where I'm wrong. Okay. That's how I manage my risk. Clear as day. If you don't know where you're wrong, don't take the trade. Okay. If you don't know where you are wrong, you do not take the trade. This is before you enter the trade. Okay. You must have clear as day targets that present you with a good R multiple, right? Take profit 1, take profit 2. Maybe it's a 1-to-1 trade, depending on your setup, right? But it must be clear. I'm looking to go in here. I'm looking to exit fully here. I have a clear invalidation. It's a 1-to-1 trade, whatever it is. Must be clear before you enter the trade. Then we must have entry criteria. Okay, so this is where time in the market and looking at price action is going to help you make decisions. So reactions on price are hard to determine. So that's why I say price action and volume. Okay, so in this area, candle patterns will help. So you can look for an indecision candle and an engulfing candle, something I trade quite often, right? You can see strength coming into this, a clear rejection. You can also see exhaustion. So you see wicks in this area. You can see structure break. You can see price come in here, break and go, okay? And you can enter here or you can enter here. But the idea is that in this box, you have increased your probability of winning. That's it. Doesn't mean you're going to win. You've just increased it by taking the trade here rather than taking it here, rather than taking it here, right? Taking a doji engulfing, as I say, a doji engulfing trade in the African desert is not going to pay you because you're taking it in the middle of nowhere. There's no confluence in that area to allow you to justify taking that trade, okay? So if we look at reactions, our job after looking at that is to go and see what reactions are, okay? Depending on the time frame you trade. So the easiest way to learn is to go into where the reversals are. This is where you're going to see how to take trades based on reversals, continuation, break of structures, momentum changes. Okay, you're going to go into these areas and you're going to learn what it looks like. I cannot show you every single reversal / continuation trade pattern. I can show you how to enter them, up only, trading with rules. I can show you that, and I will if you're good. And Santa's not on your naughty list. If you're not on Santa's naughty list, I'll teach you some rules-based trading. Maybe after Christmas, if you guys are good and you bring me candy canes and eggnog and all that good stuff next time I see you guys, because I won't be here next week. But you're gonna go in and understand that 1, you have to have rules. So first rule: did we hit a key area, right? So let's say I had a box up here for a rejection. Check mark. What happened here? You got to answer that for yourself, right? Okay. So we understand liquidity is up here. Lots of liquidity down here. What happens here? Well, we got double top. This is failing to push out. We have lost bullish momentum here. Kyle, I'm sure, probably considered a short here. We had a VWAP slap, trying to hold VWAP. We lost strength here. We rolled over. And you'll come to distinguish these things over and over again because you'll see them over and over again because you're a trader and you're trying to learn these things, right? Come trade live, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.